lawyer, patriot, president, John Adams turned bold arguments into a revolution, led in the Continental Congress, and helped forge a new nation. Discover how one relentless voice helped launch the United States. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting history within the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. John Adams was born in rural Massachusetts, shaped by faith, discipline, and an unshakable belief in justice. Trained as a lawyer, he believed law, not violence, was the true foundation of liberty, a conviction he proved by defending British soldiers after the Boston Massacre, insisting that justice must stand above passion. In the Continental Congress, Adams became one of the strongest voices for independence, pushing relentlessly for a complete break from Britain. Abroad, he served as a tireless diplomat, securing critical alliances and financial support that kept the revolution alive. He helped shape America's system of government, convinced that balance, restraint, and strong institutions were essential to lasting freedom. As the nation's first vice president, Adams often stood isolated and uncelebrated, yet steadfast in his commitment to the republic. His legacy is not one of popularity, but of principle, placing duty, law, and country above personal power at every turn.